They are officially suspending mortgage payments. Hey, welcome back to the VIP Financial Education YouTube channel, where we help you go further, faster financially while remaining safe in the process. Hey guys, wanted to give you the best view possible because this is a bright, shiny, positive video. Got to start with the bad news though. I just got off the phone with one of you guys and he's certain he has the virus. He's only 38 years old, has a wife and kids. Please, please be safe, stay at home. Now, speaking of home, in a shocking turn of events, bunch of assholes, Bank of America, I easily confuse that acronym, I apologize. They've announced that they're going to be joining the Department of Housing and Urban Development, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and New York State in providing relief while Americans continue to struggle with the nonstop side effects of this coronavirus. Mortgage relief options are coming on fast right now. They're coming out of the blue. One of the nation's biggest banks announced that it's going to be joining New York in stating that borrowers can pause their mortgage payments. In fact, we recently learned that federal regulators, through the mortgage giants Fannie and Freddie, are ordering lenders to offer homeowners flexibility. That's right, homeowners that have either lost part of their income or their jobs entirely because of the coronavirus outbreak could be eligible now to have your mortgage payments reduced or even suspended entirely for up to 12 months. This move covers about half of all home loans right now in the US, which are guaranteed by Fannie and Freddie. But the good news is that regulators are expecting the entire mortgage industry will quickly adopt some sort of a policy that's similar here. According to the director, the forbearance is up to 12 months, depending on the particular situation. That's coming from Mark Calabria directly. He's the director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency, which oversees Fannie and Freddie. But folks, please understand something very important. You cannot simply stop paying your mortgage each month. According to Calabria, homeowners need to contact their servicer, which is the lender that you send your check to every month. He says that that lender will then work with you in order to work out a payment plan. But obviously the goal here is to help you get back on your feet as soon as possible. Calabria actually goes on to say that people in financial distress because of the coronavirus can just verbally testify to that over the phone with their lenders, and documenting the hardship will come later, which I love. He says you're not going to have to send in 20 pieces of paper at the front of this. They want to make sure it gets done quickly. Now, BofA announced Thursday afternoon that it is extending additional support for consumer and small business clients who are experiencing hardship from the impact of the coronavirus. Included within the support options is the ability to defer mortgage payments there too. According to Bank of America, mortgage and home equity customers are going to be able to request to defer their payments while the virus crisis rages. The payments would then be added to the end of the loan, essentially providing borrowers a break from their payments now, but obviously you're going to have to make those payments eventually. So be prepared. According to the bank, the payment deferral will be available on a case-by-case basis, and it's possible that you can extend it on a month-to-month term. The bank added that there will be no negative credit bureau reporting for up-to-date clients, so you've got to make sure that you pay as the agreement states. Now, apparently this is not the only steps that BofA plan to take for its roughly 66 million clients. Beyond that, the bank is taking several other non-mortgage related steps, including consumer and small business deposit accounts, where clients can now actually request refunds on overdraft fees, non-sufficient funds fees, monthly maintenance fees. Consumer and small business credit card clients can request to defer payments on those, and you can even get refunds on late fees. Small business loans, clients can request to defer payments on. You can get refunds on late fees there too. Even auto loans, clients there are able to request to defer their payments. And you can just simply add the payments to the end of the loan there too. Now, all of these options are also available on a case-by-case basis. So you're just going to have to reach out and call the bank if you're with BofA, and I imagine other banks may follow suit. The bank did say that its client-facing employees are now trained to identify and assist impacted clients and provide the right support to address their unique needs. Borrowers who are facing hardship due to the coronavirus are encouraged to contact the bank's client services team for assistance. Hopefully they really follow through with this. Now, a few standout quotes from the higher-ups there at BofA. This is coming from the president of Consumer and Small Businesses at Bank of America. We're going to continue to provide convenient access to the important services that they count on and the additional assistance and support that they need during this difficult period. They say our priorities are taking care of our team and each other and continuing to fulfill our fundamental role serving our clients. So I hope this is all true, guys. I'm skeptical, but my first impression is that reactions to the economic impact here appear swift. They seem helpful. It seems like lenders are aware that this really could spiral out of control quite quickly and have a dramatic and long-lasting impact on borrowers as well as the housing market if action isn't taken right now. So I remain optimistic that we're going to continue to see a solution-oriented response here. Let me know if you want these ongoing updates on this channel right now by smashing that like button. I mean, if you do, it lets YouTube know that this is important information to be getting out, and then they share it with more people. So please hit that like button. Also drop a comment below if you've had any concerns so far about paying your mortgages. I'd love to hear from you. Have there been any changes to your employment? How have your sources of income been changing as this situation unfolds? I've got to hear from you guys, so please join the conversation. Now, I'm going to continue to keep you updated as news breaks. Please know that I am here for you. I'm going to help you get through this safely. I'm going to help you prepare to strike it rich on the other side. So be on the lookout as well for an upcoming video discussing my concerns for the housing market and what we're doing right now to protect ourselves from any worst case possibilities that could happen. At this point, I could literally be without any income at all for the next 5 years or longer and not be in any danger at all financially. And I want to show you how. So be sure you subscribe, stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep cash flowing. We'll see you on the next video.